Hello watchers and welcome to Disney Dollhouse issue 52. So as always, let's have a flip through of the magazine. So in this issue we've got a whole bunch of staircase stuff because we're going to be building the staircase in the frozen room. So we're going to need the main assembly and also the railings that we got in a previous issue. And of course we've got some decorative items as well. So these assembly instructions. Pretty straightforward. Ooh, and then a lovely Bambi poster. Nice. And then The Magic of Disney, The Jungle Book. Look for the bare necessities. It is one of my favourite Disney's. I've got Disney movies, I've got to admit. Then The Magic of Disney, about Miss Bianca from The Rescuers. And then the usual blurb, as well as what's coming in issue 53, which is the other part of the staircase. Some more of Donald stuff. Nice. Lovely jubbly. So, let's get on with building the staircase. So we've got it's very plastic, the staircase, and it's all this sort of like off-white, almost a very light beige colour. The thing that you need to take note of is with these stair treads, is they've got letters on the back. Most of them should have the letter B, but there's one that has got the letter A on it, and the reason why that is because A is just a little bit taller than the others, and also you need to remember where the placement of these holes are as well. So you should have 5 B's, 1 A, the carcass of the stairs, and a landing plate, again with another hole, that's important, and then the railing as well, and some wooden, very chunky skirting board, but mine has come a little bit broken, so I'm going to sand that down a little bit, and again on there as well, and touch it up with some paint as well. So let's get on with assembling this. Now it does say glue these things into position, which you can do by all means. However, I think because it's this off-white colour, I mean, it does kind of go with the room, but it's just a little bit too plain for my liking. So I think I'm going to mess around with mine a bit. But, oh, I've just noticed as well, on the side of this carcass, will the camera show it? You can just see very faintly some decorative sort of star icicle pattern. Again, you can't really see it against this beige colour, hence I almost missed it. So something else I could play with. Right, so as I was saying, I'm going to put everything together as it should be for the sake of showing you how it's done, but I'm not going to glue things in place. But if you do want to glue things in place, you just use a little bit of all-purpose glue on these sticky uppy bits. And then pop them into place. That's all you do. But I don't want to do that because I think I'm going to try and carpet these threads and add some colour, some pattern, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. So I'll just do the build as they want us to do in the magazine, and then once I've got the complete staircase, so when I've got next issue, I'll then release another video showing you how I'm going to pimp my staircase. So yeah, So let's get on with the assembly. So tread A, the one that's slightly longer, needs to go on the top, and then all these little holes need to all go down this side, not that side with the bit sticking out there, because that's where it attaches to the wall. So you just go ahead, pop them into place. I mean, they're quite stiff anyway without any glue. And then tread B's go all the way down, because if you look on here, if the light will show you, it's also got B engraved on there. So, you know, it's kind of idiot proof a little bit. So you just pop them all into place. And again, they're so easy to take back out, so that's why I'm not gluing them into place. So I can take them back out and decorate them. Feels a bit like Lego at the moment, just popping these things into place. Oh, no, wrong way around. So that's them in place. So we've now got a nice little overhang that looks more like stairs. And then they want you to pop the landing into place as well, but bearing in mind this hole here needs to stay in line with those ones. So that just slots straight in as well. Now the thing that they want you to do next is something I'm not going to do, which is they want you to put glue on this side with the sticky out bit along here, and then position the skirting board in place, and then again do it again along here, apply more glue here, and then pop that one into place. Have I got that the right way around? Yes, I do. But when you put in this one in place, make sure this side has got an angle to it. If you can see there. And that's for when the next bit of staircase is going to join. That'll go down here. So just make sure that you level up like so. So as I said, I'm not going to stick them in place until I've decorated the staircase. But it's just literally so they stick to the staircase rather than the wall just yet. And then the final thing that they want you to do is just dab a bit of glue on the bottom of these and then pop them into place. But be very careful, because this is very fragile moulding. Very detailed, but very fragile. And it'll be quite fiddly to put in and line up all the holes at once. I'm imagining it. There we go, like so. And then of course we've got a hole here for where the staircase is going to also marry up to that part as well. So that's all it is for the staircase assembly. So it's pretty straightforward, but let me show you what it looks like inside the room. This staircase is going to pop into the top, into that top hole there, and it'll rest against the wall and basically float like so. And then obviously the rest of the staircase will come down there. So that's what it looks like, which, I mean, it's fine and everything, but it's just, to me, white is a blank canvas. It needs colour, it needs painting. And because there's such a lot of white, I feel like it needs to be covered somehow. So I shall have an attempt of doing that. Now, the other thing that they want you to do in this issue is we got a railing in the last piece, and they actually now want you to glue it into place. So we'll do that. Again, just using all-purpose glue in ever so little, because you don't want it, you know, showing all the way on the floor. So again, just a tiny bit, even though I know it's difficult with all-purpose glue because it does get everywhere. And just pop it all into those little holes. And give it a good squidge down. There we go. Let's move Donald out of the way so you can see it a bit better. And then the staircase above it as well, so you can see. So you should also still have the two finishing strips up there, which I'm imagining will glue in place when the staircase is done. I mean, you can do it now. I can't see why you couldn't, because it's only that bit that slots into that hole, so there won't be much of an issue, but I'd rather wait so I can marry up the corners perfectly without too many gaps. So yeah, you should have those still two left as well. So yeah, that is it for the assembly for this issue, but we have got some rather lovely decorative items as well. So let's just push this back just a little. In fact, let's push it to Alice's room, because the decorations are for Alice's room. Now, we have been given 2 golden wall shelves, but at the moment they're just very flat at the back, so I imagine they just want you to stick them on the wall however you like. I think in the magazine, yeah, you can just make out there that there's one on this wall, and then you can just see the bottom of one where it's quite far up. Yeah, so on the back there, they're just arranged like that. But I mean, you can put them however you like in your magazine. It doesn't say you glue them in just yet. Not sure if I am going to yet. I think I'm going to wait until I've got all the bits and then see how I feel or where I want to place things, because it will be quite permanent, I imagine. Then we've also got some of these lovely teeny tiny jam jars that are so well done. We've got 2 of these. These are just very lovely with their pink tops, but very detailed, very nice, lovely jubbly. Then we've got 2 more plates as well with some gold rimming around the side, so 2 of those. And then also we've got some more Tweedledee and Tweedledum. We've got these lovely what are they? Are they milk jugs? Are they? The teacups. The teacups with lids, so they sit on the saucers like so, because we've also got the lids as well, which are very cute. They actually look like the caps that Tweedledee use. As you can see, the rim of the hat and then the little flags on their head. So we've got 2 of those, and they are just absolutely lovely. I'll put them there so you can see them a bit better. Yeah, so we've got 2, and of course the lids come off, so be wary of that. Some people might want to pop some blue tack in there, or maybe something a bit more permanent to make sure that they stay in there and don't fly around. But again, they are just so lovely, are those. So well done, very nicely painted as well. So yeah, that's it for this issue. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I do with the staircase. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you agree with me, if the staircase is a little too plain. So you're going to mess with it as well and see how, and let me know what you guys are going to do with yours. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.